And as we sit here, Securico employs approximately 4,000 people.
Correct.
And one of the things that you've been very strong on is the inclusion of women, mainstreaming of employing women. And of those 4,900 are women. Talk to me about your passion in ensuring that women employment of women, young girls, young women is mainstreamed within not just Securico, but the entire Zimbabwean economy.
Well, for me, it started off as a social, or what I called something which was in my heart. I had a passion to see women succeed, not for any other reason, but for the reason that they had been disadvantaged. I grew up seeing a lot of disadvantages that a lot of women in my peers were facing. So for me, when I started, that was the main reason. But however, I later on realized that it was just not that. I realized that there is a serious business, a reason why more women should be employed, should be given opportunities. When you look at what is happening now, there's more startups of women, more than ever. For a start, employing the women that we employ at Securico are mainly single mothers and widows. But I started saying, because they need jobs to look after their kids, they need to educate, they need a better livelihood, they need to move away from, perhaps if they were living off pubs and so on, they had to move away from that. But with time I realized that beyond that, there was more of an impact to the whole nation. Because number one, if they are able to send their kids to school, there are less people on the streets that are going to be criminals. And when you look at what I'm doing beyond this security
sector,
I'm working with a number of women, a number of initiatives where we support women to scale up their businesses, where we support women to go into business and scale up. Generally what we call women economic empowerment. Why empower them? Because for a start, there are more startups by women than men. The studies have shown that. And you find that the women normally reinvest 90% of their income back into their families through educating their kids and providing food and so on, and certainly in their communities as well. So for me, that has got a huge impact on the overall economy, because they are creating jobs, because they are starting up. So they are creating jobs, number one. And secondly, when they are creating jobs, they are moving people away from the streets. They are educating their boys, their girls, they are moving them away from vice. So the whole nation the whole country is impacted positively, because women have been given an opportunity. Not that it is just about wanting to say they've been disadvantaged. It's an important aspect in terms of the impact, the overall impact on the economy.